Hi students, in this session we are going to discuss about using of brackets. Suppose you are asked to write an expression of 5 multiplied by the sum of 6 and 7. 5 multiplied means 5 multiplied, sum of 6 and 7 means 6 plus 7. Can you write like this? It is meaningless, I think. Here there is need to use such a bracket. Here you have to put bracket like this. Then only 5 is multiplied, the sum of 6 and 7 means first we have to do the sum of 6 and 7, we have to find the sum, then you have to multiply that sum to the 5. So here if you didn't put the brackets means 5 into 6 plus 7 means first what we did, if you have to do first you are doing multiplication. So that is wrong. So we have to put brackets like this. Understood? I am going to explain an example here. What are the uses of brackets you can understand with this example. So here two students are there. So Sridhi and Madanshu. Sridhi does homework for 3 hours every day and Madanshu does homework for 2 hours every day. We can express how many hours they work for in a week in following ways. First method 1 I am going to explain. In a week means how many days in a week? 7 days. So Sridhi works for 7 into 3 hours is equal to 21 hours in a week. She does homework for 21 hours in a week. And Madanshu works for 7 into 2 hours is equal to 14 hours she did homework for week. In a week together they worked for 21 hours plus 14 hours is equal to 35 hours. And then method 2 using brackets we are going to discuss here. In a day Sridhi and Madanshu together work for 3 plus 2 hours, 3 hours Sridhi and 2 hours Madanshu. So in a week together they work for 7 into 3 plus 2, 7 into 3 plus 2. So here 7 into 5 is equal to 7 5 is 35. Here also you got the same answer. Understand? So here what we observed, 7 into 3 plus 2 means 7 into 3 plus 7 into 2. Like this you have to write. You can write this bracket 7 into 3 plus 2. When you are open these brackets, you have to distribute this 7 to 3 and 2 also. This 7 should be multiplied by 3 and 2. 7 into 3 plus 7 into 2 you have to write. Understand? So next now I am going to explain some example sums in example 19. You can observe in your textbooks. In example 19 a sum observe 8 into 105. 8 into 105. When you are doing this type of multiplication, first 8 into 105 you can write as 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5. Already we know that when you are multiplying a number with a group of 2 numbers, sum of 2 numbers means you have to multiply this 8 to the, distribute this 8 to 100 and 8 to 5 also. So you have to multiply 8 into 100 plus 8 into 5 you have to write like this. And 8 into 100 means 800 plus 8 into 5 means 40. It's equal to 840. Like this you have to do. And B sum I am going to explain. The B example. In example 19 B sum 3 half 5 plus 7 minus 11 is the question. Here 3 half means 3 after there is no symbol in between 3 and bracket. So there is into will be there. 3 into 5 plus 7 minus 11. So 3 into 5 plus 7 12 and minus 11. 3 12 are 36 minus 11 you will get 25 as answer. Like this you have to do. Observe the remaining examples also. Okay. Here now I am going to explain the exercise 1.5. First Roman, write the expression using brackets. You have to write the given expression with the using of brackets. Means first A I am going to explain A question. Divide the difference of 11 and 4 by 5. Divide the difference of 11 and 4 by 5. First you have to find the difference of 11 and 4, then you have to divide that difference with 5. So, difference of 11 and 4 divided by 5 is equal to 11 minus 4, you have to put in a bracket, divided by 5. 11 minus 4, what you will get? 7. 7 by 5 you have to write. That will be the answer. And the C sum I am going to explain here. So, 48 divided by the difference of 23 and 7. So, 43 divided by the difference of 23 and 7, we can write as 43 divided by bracket, in bracket you have to put 23 minus 7, you have to put in a bracket, 48 divided by 16, 48 divided by 16 we will get 3 as answer. Understood? Next, multiply the sum of 6 and 28 by 7. So, multiply the sum of 6 and 28 by 7. So, 6 plus 28 you have to put in a bracket, into 3 is equal to 28 plus 6, 34 into 3. 34 into 3, 102. You will get like it. You will get the answer like this. And next, in second Roman, simplify the following expression. Simplify, you have to simplify that. So, expression is 3 into 3 plus 20 minus 11. Second Roman, here I am going to, here 3 into 3 plus 20 minus 11. That is equal to 3 into 3 plus 20, 23 minus 11. So, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6 minus 11, 69 minus 11, 58 will be the answer. So, you will get the answer like this. And C sum also I am going to explain here. In C sum, 15 into 204. Here also you have to use the brackets for 15 into 204, you have to put in a bracket, 200 plus 4 you have to write like that, and you have to put in a bracket, and it is equal to 15 into 200 and 15 into 4. The number which is outside of the bracket, it will be multiplied to both numbers in the bracket. So, 15 into 200, 15 2s are 30, after that you have to put 2 zeros, and 15 4s are 60. It will become 3060. Understand? So, next, now third sum I am going to explain here, that is a statement sum. All of you observe the question. Sneha plays for 2 hours and watches TV for 1 hour daily. How much time does she spend on these activities in a week? So, that is the question. So, time spent by Sneha for playing is equal to 2 hours. So, time spent by Sneha for watching TV is equal to 1 hour. Time spent for both activities is equal to per week. So, time spent for both activities in a week is equal to, in a week 7 days into 2 plus 1. So, 2 hours playing and 1 hour watching TV. So, 7 into 2 plus 1, 3, 7 3 is 21 hours. She do the both activities per week. Next, fourth question. Observe the first question. Think and write the situation for each of the following expression. I am going to explain A sum. 5 into 7 plus 12 is given. So, for this all of you observe the example 20 in page number 21. So, I am going to write a question. You have to narrate a question. Okay. So, here in a school bag 7 textbooks are there and 12 notebooks are there. How many both textbooks and notebooks are there in 5 school bags? Like that you can write the question, narrate the question. Okay. So, remaining sums all of you try to do. Thank you.